Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got another unpackaging for you. This arrived today. I brought this from the Silver Forum. For those of you that have been following my channel for a while, you'll know that I really enjoy buying silver from the Silver Forum because you can get some really great deals from there. And what I like about the Silver Forum is you're quite often buying from another stacker, so they know how to package precious metals in a way that they're not going to get damaged in the post. It's not someone that's just buying coins and flipping them. It's people that actually have their own stacks as well, so they really appreciate stacking precious metals. So you do notice that extra duty of care that goes into the deliveries. So let's get straight into the video. I've already taken it out of the jiffy bag to make it slightly easier. So as you can see, it's in cardboard. And this particular seller quite often uses Lego packaging to secure the coins. So I don't know whether he's a Lego collector or he's kind of works in that industry. I'm not too sure, but it's very interesting. I've ordered a number of items from this person on the Silver Forum, and they've always come in bits of cardboard that say Lego on them. So that's quite an interesting. So as you can see, I've gone for some Silver Krugs 2022 versions, and this is from the same seller that I brought the previous Krugerrands from. I keep going back on there and he's still got them for sale. They're a great price. They're £25 each plus postage, which is a great deal. At the moment, Silver Britannias, 2023 Silver Britannias are selling for around about £29 each. So crazy premiums on them as people are rushing to buy them due to it being the Queen's last appearance on the coins. However, I wanted to get a little bit closer to spot, and I really like the Krugerrands. I like the matte finish on these coins. It's really different from some of the other coins that are just really shiny, and these have just got a nice matte finish. It's really nice to have kind of a bit of variety in the stack. So let me know your thoughts. I'll leave a link in the description below for those of you that want to pick up some of these while they're still £25 each. I'm not sure if he does worldwide shipping or whether it's just in the UK. So you'd have to have a little look and ask him if he ships worldwide. But I'm sure he would, if it would still make sense to buy them from him. As always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.